Chapter 23. Uses of Prepositions. Correct use of certain prepositions. At, in. At is used with places, usually small towns and villages. It is also used before a definite point of time. For a particular house or place or residence, we use at. If a particular place is indicated, at is generally used. In is used with countries and large towns and before a period of time. It is also used with places of work. See me at 6 o'clock in the morning. The meeting will begin at 12 o'clock tomorrow. The Nehrus lived at Anand Bhavan in Allahabad. The White House is in the United States of America. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the Himalayan range. He lives at Mehrauli in Delhi. He is in England these days. She lives in Mumbai. The battle was fought at Panipat. He will return in 2 days' time. The Prime Minister lives at 2 Safdarjung Road. I like to spend the summer in the country and the winter in the town. His father works in a bank. Both my brothers work at the town hall. By, with. By is used to express the agent or doer of the action. With relates to the instrument with which the action is done. He was stabbed by a bandit with a knife. He was struck by his enemy with a stick. To kill 2 birds with 1 stone. The police was attacked by the mob. Between, among. Between is used with 2 persons or things. Among is used with more than 2 persons or things. Divide this cake between these 2 boys. He was standing among the people. The 2 quarrelled between themselves. The Rajputs quarrelled among themselves. In, into. In is used while speaking of things at rest. Into is used while speaking of things in motion. She is in the bed. He was standing in the hall. He was standing in the hall. He jumped into the well. Come into the garden, Manoj. On, upon. On is used while speaking of things at rest and upon is used while speaking of things in motion. As, he sat on a sofa. The cat sprang upon the table. In, within. In means at the end of a future period. In means within means before the end of a future period. I shall be here in at the end of 2 days. I shall be here within 2 days, that is, before the end of 2 days. After, in. After is generally used to denote some period of time in the past. In is generally used to show some period of time in the future. He returned to Delhi after a week, that is, when the week was over in the past. He will return to Delhi in a week, at the end of a week in the future. Beside, besides. Beside means by the side of or outside of. Besides means in addition to. Keep left beside to the pavement, close to the pavement. He came and sat beside me, by my side. His answer is beside the question, that is, outside of or irrelevant to the question. Besides giving him advice, he gave him money. Besides, in addition to, many children were present. I have 3 other shirts besides this one. There were 5 of us besides Peter. Before, for. Before is used in negative and affirmative sentences to denote a point of future time. For is used in negative sentences to denote a period of future time. The sun will not rise for an hour. We cannot say, the sun will not rise before an hour. Before is used for a point of time, not for a period of time. The sun will rise before 7 o'clock, affirmative. The sun will not rise before 7 o'clock, negative. Since, from, for. Since is used to denote a point of time, never a period of time. It is preceded by a verb in the present perfect tense. but it is correctly used when we speak of the past time and can never be used with reference to the present or future time. I have not seen him since last month. I have been staying here since last week. Tony has been ill since Tuesday last. From denotes a point of time. It may be used with all the tenses. It must be followed by to, till or until, either expressed or understood. He worked from morning to evening. He begins school from today. He will begin school from tomorrow. He began learning French from the age of 9. For denotes a period of time. It may be used with any tense except the present imperfect. I have not seen her for 5 days. I have been ill for 2 weeks. I have been studying for 6 hours.